Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can upload a video to Google Drive, then share the link. Just click these dots, then Drive, then from New, File Upload, this one. Either you can do it by, from here, directly drag the video. Now it uploads. Show file location, click this one. Again. Yes, that's my video. To share the link, just click these three dots, then share, click share. Here it's restricted, just click this one, anyone with the link. And here if you want to select it to edit, anyone can delete it and change it. So I let it as viewer and copy the link. Copy the link copied. Now I open incognito. Just put the link here, just search, directly takes you to the video. That's all. Have a nice day.